Hey everybody, how you doing? Today I'm going to try and fix this Huawei tablet. The Huawei, what is it, an M5 8-inch Lite. I'm going to try and fix it. It's got a very broken screen. Unfortunately my son lost his temper with it. But we're going to try and fix it today because in here I have a brand new screen and digitizer, and I'm hoping, not actually had it out of the box, hoping it's the right one. Yes, I'm hoping that we'll be able to put that on there, new screen, and it'll be as good as new. Let's see if we can do it. So first we're going to need some tools. First of all, we're going to have to take off, it has actually got a tempered glass screen protector on it. We're going to have to take that off first and then go all the way around the outside of this to cut all the glue that holds it on the adhesive. Then we can pull the screen away from the rest of the tablet. So first of all, we're going to use this plastic spadger, we call it, just to get the screen protector off. That wasn't too difficult. Right, now you can actually see the damage that has been done on this. Absolutely terrible state, and it's incredible that it actually turns on and displays anything at all. But I'm now going to cut around all the outside with a knife, craft knife, very sharp, mind your fingers. Right, now as we take this off, we've got to be very careful not to break the ribbon cable. Okay, so yeah, the ribbon cable is just there, so we need to carefully remove that. And if we lift this bit of tape, and try and keep that to go on the other one. Should be able to just undo this connector. Yes. Here we go. So, well, that's the old screen. Got most of it out. There's quite a bit of glass though still to get out from around the edge. I'm going to try and get all of that out, and then give it a good clean. Right, so I've gone round and, well, as far as possible, I'm pretty sure I've got all of the glass out of this. I'm going to say that was not the, oh, there's another bit there actually. It's not the most fun job, but now I'm going to just go round with some isopropyl alcohol just to take the last bits of the glue off, ready for the new screen. And if there is any bits of glass in there still, that should just wipe out with it. So it's now time, the exciting bit, to put in the new screen. Now we don't have the same sort of glue. They just comes with these adhesive strips, and they look a bit tricky to put on, if I'm honest. But we'll give it a go. See how it pans out. So that's the adhesive strip put in. I've just got to take the backing off of it so that it's like double-sided tape, basically, very thin strips of double-sided tape. Before I do that though, I want to make sure that the new screen actually works. So I need to connect it up to ribbon cable and turn it on, see if it actually works. Right, so the moment of truth. I'm going to try and turn it on before, hopefully it's got some charge in it. Does it work? Anything? Come on. No, nothing. So it would seem that hasn't worked. I'm just hoping that it's the ribbon connector's not installed properly, so I'm going to take that out, try and reinstall it, and hope, fingers crossed. Oh. That'll be why. So the ribbon cable wasn't in properly. Yeah, obviously. Come right out. It works! It's fixed! I consider that a win. I'm gonna take the bits of tape off, stick it all back down, and I can give it back to its rightful owner. just this last satisfying thing to do. And that looks as good as new. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel if you found this helpful. If you didn't, then don't bother, move on to something else. But anyway, until next time, do take care, and I'll see you soon with the next video, whatever that may be.